Welcome to Express Cargo, your trusted partner in international shipping. In this video, we will take you on a journey across the globe, showcasing the seamless operations of our online cargo service. We begin in China, where the bustling airports and seaports are a hive of activity. Dedicated workers are seen loading and unloading goods, ensuring efficient transportation of cargo. From there, we move to Dubai, where our operations extend to both the port and airport. Here, our team is hard at work, ensuring that goods are loaded onto ships and planes with utmost care. But our reach doesn't stop there. We also have a strong presence in America, with our operations spanning across ports and airports. Our dedicated team in America ensures that goods are handled with precision and delivered to their destinations in a timely manner. And finally, we come to Pakistan, where Express Cargo is at the forefront of the shipping industry. Our seaports and airports are a hive of activity as goods from China, America, and Dubai make their way to Pakistan. We take pride in being a key player in Pakistan's import industry, connecting businesses and individuals with the goods they need. Express Cargo is not just about air or sea transportation. We offer a comprehensive range of services, including road transportation, ensuring that your cargo reaches its destination, no matter the mode of transport. So, whether you're a business looking to import goods or an individual sending a package to a loved one, trust Express Cargo to deliver your shipments with speed, reliability, and utmost care. Experience the convenience of our online service and let us take care of your shipping needs. Express Cargo, your partner in global logistics.